Well, today I'm going to be checking out the 3-in-1 mini microphone system. It's supposed to be for Android, iPhone, and you can use it on your camera. And I'm going to try to use it on a GoPro, but we'll see about that one. 120 meter reception, widely compatible, plug and play, live show, vlog short videos, and for interviews. And back here it says 3-in-1 universal receiver, long work time, 360-degree omnidirectional microphone. That'll be kind of nice. Recording while charging, that's a plus. 15 millisecond ultra low battery latency, would be good. Smart noise cancellation. Tiny and portable. Real-time monitoring. Let's get it opened up and check it out. All right, we have our receiver. And like I said, this can plug into your iPhone. This side would be for your Android type phone device. And this side should plug into your computer or a camera and maybe a GoPro. We will see. Have our transmitters, pretty small. Comes with a small windsock on them. Block out some of the wind noise. We make a charging port here on the side. So it comes with a earbud, your charging cords, an adapter, and our user manual. Look on the bottom of our transmitter, we have a power button right there. Like I said, we have our charging port here. Looking at our receiver, over on our left side, we will have the USB-C port. Over on the right side, we will have our lightning receiver. I'm not real familiar with iPhone terminology, but I suppose that's what that means. And on the top, we have our 3.5 millimeter receiver plug. On the bottom, we have our charging port. And beside our charging port, we'll have a 3.5 millimeter audio transfer interface. And it goes over on how to hook it up. As a green light will be on when it has power. Special notes for the number 12. If the mobile phone is in low battery during live streaming, the external power supply directly charges the mobile phone through the Type-C port of the receiver. So you had to hook it up to your camera. And we have a lot of other information right through here. Let's see if we can get this hooked up and get a little audio sample. Okay, let's get this hooked up on my phone. We'll plug this into the USB-C port. Have a little green light right there telling us it's on. Get our transmitter, turn our power on. We have a green light on here. I'm just going to put this on voice recorder so we can see how well it sounds. Okay, we have our voice recorder open. Now I'll be switching from my regular audio to this audio and trying to think of something to say. This is a test of the Maxtop wireless microphone system. We have our sound bars showing that we are communicating, and that's about 20 seconds worth. Let's see what it sounds like. So if you hear me now, that means this wireless microphone will work on the GoPro as well as the other previously mentioned devices. Now granted, the GoPro I have has a media mod on it, which allows you to have an external mic, but it will work on it. This is the wireless microphone from Maxtop. I like it.